Mm. Okay. Okay, so this is a rebuild. I'm talking like this to my dad. And there's literally nobody else. Everyone got my mom gonna do something. So that, yeah. We're gonna do a rebuild. We're gonna be rebuilding the Brooklyn Nets. If you hear any crunching noises as I'm eating, this is incorrect team. We're gonna rebuild the Rutherford, New Jersey Nets. Let's stop doing that. I'll see you when a couple. Nah. I can't even talk now. Let me do something. This is the team now. It sucks. We need to get younger. Man, oh man, I have to improve this team. Let's trade. Let me do a trade. We're gonna do this. Because I have no idea what to do, okay? We're team winning multiple seasons. We're rebuilding. Let's try and get Michael Beasley. Screw Talia, yo. He doesn't mean anything. All I know is now we have cap to sign anybody. Screw winning everything. Make sure Willis gets his minutes. Screw it, he can shoot 3. Corey Brewer don't need any minutes. Stupid animal. Okay. This guy we're gonna run our offense through because I have nobody else. Nobody else. So our starter and our best player will now be this guy. Oh yeah, Michael Beasley. He can get 40, 38. Give the ball to Powell. So for the Nets, since we don't care, we got get shooters open, shooter will, and this. Let me do a few more changes and I'll see you at the start. We found a way to trade a pick for this. And you know what we're gonna get there, for God's sakes. Okay, so guys, personally the season started out great for us. Look at this. This is a record. 78 overall team. My league automations, I don't even care. Yeah, pro what? I'm gonna YouTube video. Yeah. Oh, come here, gracias. That's my dad. Okay. So yeah, let me wait a minute. What? So I'm gonna show you guys. Nothing has been altered, except the injuries have turned off. I forgot to do that. So yeah, this is basically it now. No. We're gonna have to basically So that's basically it. Okay, so this is it. So what has our star player? 20. Okay, this guy's for guilty. The only reason I did that is because there's practically nobody else. Okay, so this is what happens. Raptors, pay close attention. Do this in real life. Rookie of the year gonna be him. No, wait, no, not in real life. You only have 5 points. I'll see you at the All-Star break. Also, quick, guys. Have you ever ate a sandwich with salsa? Delicious. We made it. What is that? Our record is 24 and 38. 30. I don't even know. Let me just see stuff quickly, but this is a rebuild. I can't do this. Okay, I want to make this trade. You get a current of this pick of this year and Jamal Crawford. We can play him a point guard. We save a bit of money. So I'll see you at the end of the season. Let's go. Okay, so this is it. Yes, and this is delicious. Okay, Kevin Durant. Normal. Obviously. Yep.